Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how you can instantly transfer your ZestMoney balance to your bank account. So first, you just have to go to the Google Chrome and type Digital Cash 24, and then just click on the first website that appears, and then click on Register, and then you just have to enter your name, email ID, mobile number, password, and then once you're done with that, just confirm the password and then click on register. Next is to log in using your mobile number and password. So I'll go ahead and log in my account, and then after that, you will see the KYC or know your customer option where you need to enter your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and bank details. And then once you're done with that, just click on submit KYC. Now your KYC will be completed like this. And after that, click on the red button at the top corner. So from the options, you just have to click on the first one labeled Pay. So you will see ZestMoney, Amazon Pay, Bajaj Finance, and other services right here. Then just click on, but the accounts are not yet activated. So when you click on any of them, you will see an option to activate the account. So as you can see, I'm clicking on Amazon and ZestMoney, and all of them show the activate account option. So I'll click on activate, and then it will ask me to pay 199, which is a one-time or a lifetime charge. So I'll pay this using my phone, but you can also use any payment method. So I'll quickly complete the payment. So this is one-time charge, and after this you will get lifetime access to the service with no further charges. So I'll just enter my PIN and pay the 199 membership fee. Now, once the payment is successful, we'll be redirected back to the website and our account will be activated in just a few seconds. So as you can see, it says that the account is already activated. And now when I click on ZestMoney option, it will ask me to enter the ZestMoney registered mobile number. So I'll just enter it now. Then you will receive an OTP. So you just have to make sure that you enter the number that is registered with the ZestMoney. Now, once the OTP arrives, you will be asked to enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw from Zest Money. So next is it shows the repayment plans: 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or even 12 months, with the respective interest rates and the EMI amounts. Now you can choose any plan according to your preference. So I'm selecting the 12-month plan and clicking on proceed right after. Now you just have to make sure to review the interest details. Typically it's around 14%. So now the process is underway. As you can see, it says that your application has been received and you've also got a loan reference number. So the status shows approved. So congratulations, your loan application has been successfully approved. So the approved amount will be credited to your registered bank account within the next 5 minutes. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!